right, we're working for you, and we want to continue our summer safety series, no doubt about it. Summertime means getting outside, splashing around in the pool, and if you're not well informed, if you're not prepared, it could be disastrous. You could be swimming in dangerous waters. So Tom King, he is the co-owner of Valley Brook Country Club, is here, an expert on pool safety. Thanks for coming in this morning.
Thank you.
Well, you handle hundreds of people. You guys have to be on top of it when it comes to pool safety. What is the one thing that you want parents to know?
I think the main thing is that parents need to actively supervise their children when they're in and around the pool. To be in the water with the kids if they can't swim or aren't strong swimmers.
I think that there's a perception for a lot of parents, and I know that when I was growing up, my parents would sort of drop you off at the swim club all day, and it was sort of like a babysitter with a lifeguard, but I imagine that makes you cringe.
It does make me cringe. There's too many people who think that the lifeguard is going to babysit their child, and you can be a lifeguard when you're 15 years old. And to have a 15-year-old with 50 kids in the pool and think that they're going to be watching your child it's asking too much. And you really need to be watching your child. Let the lifeguard react if there's an emergency so that they can do what they're trained to do.
Right. That's really their job.
It is.
Okay. You also brought in some props.
These
I'm very familiar with, and you said don't put these on your children.
Right. These are stamped not to be used as a flotation device, and so they can deflate, they can fall off of the child, and they are actually what most people try to use and should not use. This is a U.S. Coast Guard approved vest, and this is what I recommend people to use. And we have actually, this is what you have to use if you're a non-swimmer at our pool.
Okay.
We require the parents to be in the pool with the child who's a non-swimmer and to have the U.S. Coast Guard approved vest on.
Now, are these banned from your pool, or is it just for somebody who maybe is...
We allow these in our baby pool.
Okay.
Right, and it's because they're dangerous. They were used for a long time, but they are, if the manufacturer is not going to say that they're to be used for flotation, then
don't.
Then don't. Right.
All right, that's good advice. What else? Do you think that there are certain things that parents need to be telling their kids before they go into the water?
I think that parents need to stress that the child be where they can swim. If they can't swim in deep water, then the parents need to make sure that their child stays away from the deep water and stays within their abilities. And that's one of my main thing is that parents just need to supervise their children, watch their children, and at the end of the day, it's up to the parents to make sure that the child goes home with them safely.
I think it's interesting, too, because any public pool you go to or swim club, you always see rules that are posted somewhere, no running out around the pool. But I don't think a lot of people actually stop and read them.
That's correct. Parents sign off on the rules, but they don't read them. And they should take the time to read them. They should go over them with their child. And, they should make sure their child learns to swim. So at age 4 and up, that's a great time for children to learn to swim. They pick it up very, very quickly. So I'm a huge advocate of swim lessons for children and year-round also.
All right, you guys have something exciting coming up.
We do. We have a duck derby, and the duck derby is June 4th from 4 to 8 p.m. It's a $5 admission, and the money goes all to the Red Cross, which is the largest certifying body for lifeguards. They train more lifeguards in this country than anybody else, and so they're the recipient of all the proceeds of it. We'll have a moon bounce, face painting, DJ, and at the end of the event we'll have all the ducks will be released into our lazy river, and the top 3 winners get prizes.
That sounds like fun.
So thank you.
All right, so the information was just there on your screen. If you missed it, you can go to our website, abc2news.com. We'll put everything up there. Tom, thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you.
All right, good stuff. All right, well,